Okay, so we are inside the Excel, right? And I already have a small little table over here, branch, and the sales. Okay, of course, none of these are real numbers. Okay, so I want to create a pie chart. So select the data that you want. Okay, if you know exactly you want to do a pie chart, so the easiest one is to use the 2D. Right, so this will be the 2D pie chart itself. Okay, now if there is anything you like or you don't like the title, right, or the legend is those down here, all right, okay, see, right, or the data label, right, which is the numbers inside. You can even click outside here, the arrow, and you can say, all right, I want it outside. So the numbers are outside. See, the 990 and so forth. Okay. Uh, okay. So this one I can reduce. Okay. So now it looks better. Okay. I can select, right, this. See, I can select any of these pieces. Just make sure you only select one. Right. So let's say I select this only one. I can pull it out. See. All right. So it's not that particularly difficult. A little bit tricky sometimes, right? If you do not know what you're doing, but most of it is quite standard.